Okay. Is this a bug? How about that? That's some kind of bug for you. Should have disconnected the power before it disconnected the power. Oh well. Good morning. We are in the Mach today, and our destination is down here in Seneca, South Carolina. It's 89 miles. The GOM reads 89 miles to destination. I've charged to 100%, which I normally never do, but I was hoping I could get down there and back. It shows a range on the GOM of 276, 100%. Hopefully, if everything is right, I can get down and back for this 180 miles without having to charge. So this is our goal, Seneca, South Carolina. I'm heading down to help my buddy. So let's hit the road. It's early, by the way. It's 6:41. I'm on Interstate 26 East here this morning, headed to Seneca. It says 84 miles to destination. Trip is complete without a Scottish breakfast in the morning. Southwest now on Interstate 85. Traffic is reasonable so far this morning. Try to get on the interstate early. It's 7:15. Well, it was too good to be true. Now we're in traffic here, it looks like, for several miles. I don't know. Somebody got in a wreck or something. Who knows? This is a problem with going across the big city in rush hour in the morning. We are back up to speed here on the way out of Greenville, headed to the west on Interstate 85. Like a Model 3. Looks like South Carolina Model 3. Good work. Yep. Yeah, we're getting there now. Getting close to our exit now, and this is Lake Hartwell. It's a big giant lake here between Georgia and South Carolina. This is where we're going. We'll be getting off up here in a minute. All right, here's our exit number 11. I have to say, I've never been down this way before. Highway 24 here. Looks like instantly into agriculture, growing corn here or something. Coming into the town of Townville. How about that? Looks like it's been here a while. The building's been here forever. Oh, look at that. That's been there for a while. And it's barn right next to it. And this place here looks like a fixer-upper. Yeah, I think this place has been here a long time. Lots of older places. Yeah, it's a nice part. It's north of Townville here. Getting close now, a couple miles to the turn. Come on, boys, get out of the way. All right, I think we're getting close here now. Gotta put this down and find my buddy's place. Wow, look at this sight of the mountains out in the distance. It's very cool. Who would know? Right along the lake here, which is in front of us. Very cool looking sight. Gee, just as we thought we were getting there, the navigation navigated me to an intersection. Now I gotta see if I can find his address here.
You're coming here right away, but
well, that's okay. I'm glad to help you, Ron.
believe me, you have no idea how much I do appreciate it.
Well, here it is. Stepper and VHF antennas. All right, just leaving my buddy's house here. 194 miles of predicted range, 70% in the battery. That means we used about 30% coming down. So I think we're good. I head home now. I think we'll go up the main Interstate 85 and then up 26 to the house. Visited my buddy here, and it's Ron, and he had a problem with his stepper antenna. It's a mechanical antenna, multi-band, and it seems to have a problem with its driven element. That's the one where you put RF in and it hooks to the transceiver. Doesn't seem to be moving, and that's a problem because it's stuck on a non-band. It's like 15.4 megahertz. So appears not to be moving, and now we'll need to take the antenna down and get it fixed. On the way home now, it's another 90 miles. We should make it no trouble. Out on the highway now, headed to Interstate 85. Just entering the town of Townville, South Carolina. Yeah, you'd think you're in Iowa with the corn here. There's all kinds of corn everywhere. You even have silos. All right, just getting on Interstate 85 here now. We are on Interstate 85 northbound here now. This is the local TV station to Greenville's Doppler radar, WYFF. It's kind of cool. "21 miles to I-26 and then head north. V BMW here in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Yeah, look at that. There's gold on that truck. Getting close here now, Interstate 26. We'll be getting off and heading west, which is really north. On Interstate 26 now, headed west. We're getting off the highway here now, heading to the back roads. I hoped you liked this video. It was just a good old day taking the Mach E down to help my friend in Seneca, South Carolina. It looks like the GOM was pretty close. It guessed pretty accurate. And we're probably about the time we get back to the house, it'll be 36%. So it was a good day. Charged to 100% when I left, and gonna arrive with about 36% when I finally get home. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss any of the videos going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.